Ever wonder why your Power BI visuals don't match your expectations? It's probably your data. One of the most common pitfalls is inconsistent data formats, like dates stored as text or numbers with commas. These inconsistencies break your measures and visuals. Always use Power Query to standardize formats before loading data. It's a simple fix that prevents hours of frustration later when your charts don't behave as expected. Null values are silent killers in Power BI. They can break relationships, skew aggregations, and cause visuals to display incorrect totals. Instead of ignoring them, use Power Query to fill, replace, or remove nulls based on context. For example, fill down for missing categories or replace nulls in numeric fields with zeros. Cleaning nulls ensures your data model behaves predictably and your insights are actually reliable. Duplicate rows can sneak into your data and inflate your metrics. Whether it's from appending multiple files or bad joins, duplicates distort your analysis. Use Power Query's Remove Duplicates feature, but be careful. Only remove duplicates based on the right combination of columns. Blindly removing rows can delete valid data. Always inspect your data first to understand what truly defines a unique record in your dataset. Column names matter more than you think. Inconsistent or unclear column names make your model hard to navigate and your DAX formulas harder to write. Rename columns in Power Query to be descriptive and consistent. Use underscores or camel case and avoid spaces if possible. This small step improves readability and reduces errors when building relationships or writing measures. Clean naming conventions are a sign of a clean data model. Mismatched data types can silently sabotage your reports. For example, joining a text-based ID with a numeric one will fail, even if they look identical. Always check and align data types before creating relationships. In Power Query, use the data type dropdown to enforce consistency. This ensures your joins work correctly and your model stays stable. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in performance and accuracy. Unpivoting data is a game changer when dealing with wide tables. If your data has months or categories as column headers, unpivoting turns them into rows, making it easier to analyze trends over time. In Power Query, select the columns and choose Unpivot Columns. This transforms your data into a tidy format that works better with visuals and DAX. It's one of the most powerful transformations you can apply. Finally, don't forget to document your transformations. Power Query's applied steps Wayne shows every change you've made. Rename them. Instead of change type 1, use converted order date to date. This makes your process transparent and easier to debug later. Good documentation isn't just for teams. It helps you remember what you did when you revisit the model months later. Clean data isn't just about values, it's about clarity and process too.